Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. This is an electric top which I said I will show in the next video. If you had not watched that video, you can visit my channel homepage and watch that video. The things needed for this are switch, battery, motor and tires. First connect the switch, battery, motor and tire as shown. After that, paste the battery on the motor. Then paste the switch on the battery. After pasting, when you on the switch and put it on the floor, it will spin like this. But for making this, I used a different battery. Everyone, please subscribe and like my channel. Thanks for watching.